Alright, let's learn how to make a minifigure fall on the ground. Tip number 1. Whenever I animate a minifigure falling, I like to have the arms stretched out like this, almost as if the air is pushing the arms up. That way, when the minifigure makes contact with the ground, they can snap down in the opposite direction to create more impact. So when a minifigure falls backwards, the arms stretch out in front of them. When a minifigure falls forwards, the arms stretch out behind them so they can snap down in the opposite direction when they touch the ground. Tip number 2. To add more impact to the fall, as soon as the minifigure touches the ground, I like to snap them up into a pose like this. That way it looks like they bounce really hard off the ground. I'll usually do 1 or 2 frames at the top of this movement just to make it a little bit smoother and then snap them right back down onto the ground. Tip number 3. Oh yeah. This is a very small detail, but I think it adds a lot to the falling animations. And that is these little small leg movements after the minifigure falls. It's basically making the legs bounce up in kind of like a little kicking motion. Like the body is settling on the ground after taking a lot of impact, so the legs are still bouncing and adjusting slightly. So after the minifigure's legs hit the ground for the last time, one of the legs will bounce up slightly, or 2, it's up to you. Number 4. After the first big bounce off the ground, after the minifigure touches the ground again, I like to make them bounce up, very slightly. I do this just by using a little piece of sticky tack under the minifigure, holding them up for maybe 1 or 2 frames before they go back down onto the ground, all the way. All of these techniques apply to every sort of fall. If you're going for a bigger, more intense sort of fall, then they bounce higher. If it's more realistic, they bounce less. If it's a cartoony style, maybe they bounce faster. But the same movements and techniques still apply. And I think that's it. If you want to know more about how to animate falling, let me know specifically what you're looking for in the comments, and maybe I'll make a part 2. If not, let me know what else you want to hear me teach about, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.